Hi, Mark Fraser at Edwards Garage. Today I want to show you this GMC 2500 Denali that comes with the Duramax engine. And I'm just going to take you through a walkthrough here and just show you the overall condition. You can see it's got an aftermarket light bar in the front here. The previous owner has put paint protection on the front bumper and on the hood and on the engine hood and on the pillars here as well. So it has great paint protection. It does come with the aftermarket fuel rims. It has the trailer mirrors, and just want to walk down the side here and show you a couple little rock chips there. But overall, that side looks pretty good. So this 2018 GMC Denali does come with the backup camera. It has a spray-in box liner and includes the tonneau cover as well. And again, back here, there's no major dents or scratches. It does have the backup sensor alarms there. As we walk down the side here, the previous customer put those offset mud flaps in, so it helps protect the paint back here, so we have very few rock chips. Has the chrome 6-inch running boards. But overall, the paint and the body looks in very good condition. So I'm going to go inside and show you some of the interior features of this Denali. But first I wanted to show you a few features on the driver's side here. So it does have the programmable seats for 2 settings. Has the power folding mirrors. Has your power down, automatic down windows, child locks, and child window locks as well. It does come with the Bose sound system. Up here we can see you have the integrated trailer brake, your auto headlights, your 4-wheel drive switch, and your power seats. So now I'm going to jump inside and I'll show you the rest of the features of the interior. So I'm inside this 2018 GMC Denali HD, and I want to just cover some of the features it has in the interior. So one thing with Denali, it comes with the digital gauge display up front here. Moving over to the steering wheel here, you have your cruise control, your forward collision alert, and your heated steering wheel button. Over here we have your Bluetooth and your controls for your driver information screen up front here. Moving over here to the right, we have your heated and cooled seats for both the passenger and the driver. We have your touchscreen radio up front with Bluetooth, and it has projection for your Apple or Android phones. Moving down here, it does still have a CD player. Below that we have your climate control area, which is auto dual zone climate control. Below that we have your pedal adjustments for your brake and your accelerator, your traction control, your cargo light for your bed. This disables your park sensors. This is your lane departure alert, hill descent assist, and the Duramax does come with the exhaust brake. Down below here we have lots of charging options. So we have your USB ports, we have your 12-volt plug-ins, and then your 120-volt plug-in as well. As you can see back here, we have a wireless charging pad. And then up above, you can see we have the sunroof. Just if we look quickly to the back there, we can see we've got the power sliding window. Always a nice little feature. Overall, the front, the leather's in great condition. Let's jump in the back seat and I'll show you the condition of the leather back there. So I'm in the back seat of this 2018 GMC Denali HD. And as you can see, the leather is in very good condition. There's no rips or tears or wear marks. So overall, I would say good to excellent condition. I didn't mention this up front, but it does come with the molded floor mats in the front and the rear. That's a great way to protect the carpet of the vehicle. But overall, this vehicle has been well maintained and is in good condition. So there you have it, 2018 GMC 2500 HD Denali. It's a very well-equipped truck, and it's in great condition, and it has a great price of $64,995. The kilometers on this truck are just under 75,000 at 74,000 and change. If you'd like to test drive this vehicle, give me a call, 403-845-3328, and I can schedule you in for a test drive today.